Hey guys, welcome back to RR Performance Store. So today we have one of the pioneers of luxury. We have the Toyota Vellfire with us. A beautiful, massive car. जिसका तारीफ करूँ तो कितना ही करूँ. And in the end of the day, it's a Toyota. So it's a reliable machine to the core. It's huge, as you can see. Everything is automated in the car, so it's one of a kind, and it's come to us for denting painting work. So in this particular car, I'll show you the damage that has happened is यहाँ पे पीछे जो है ये पूरा का पूरा इसका बम्पर क्रैक हो गया है और नीचे से भी यहाँ से ये क्रैक हो गया है. एंड शोरूम में द क्लाइंट हैड गॉन एंड इट वुड टेक टाइम फॉर द पार्ट टू कम. So the client requested us कि okay, he can't let the vehicle be standing in the showroom for that much amount of time. तो ये repair में हो सकता है क्या? And we said yeah, it's a piece of cake for us because बहुत छोटा ही damage है. तो this we'll do it off. We'll repair the bumper. We'll take out the bumper, then we'll repair it. After repairing, we'll paint it. We've already sourced the paint DuPont में, Chromax DuPont में. And yeah, it's a very beautiful color. There are a lot of metallic flakes into it that we'll show you as we move ahead, and we'll show you through the entire process. This is not a very major job, but then since the car is so beautiful and one of a kind, we thought okay, we'll cover this. So stay tuned through the entire episode. We'll show you how the work is done. Cheers. very complicated वेलफेयर. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि जो हमारा बम्पर डैमेज था वो पूरा का पूरा कवर अप हो चुका है. जो क्रैक था वो बन गया है, प्लास्टिक वेल्डिंग हो गया है एंड द पेंटिंग हैज बीन डन. There also, though the client has not told us, there also we had noticed that after this accident, the bumper had gone down. इसके क्लिप्स वगैरह भी टूटे हुए थे, तो वो भी रिपेयर कर दिया था और यहाँ पे भी वो मेल्ट होके पूरा अंदर आ गया था. तो उसको भी हम लोगों ने पैच वर्क करके उसका पूरा क्लियर आउट करके पुट्टी वर्क करके पेंटिंग किया है. सो यू कैन सी नथिंग इज विजिबल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सो ऑल इन ऑल, a really good job done by the team and we are really happy with the product. इसमें भी जो color हम लोग ने use किया था that was Chromax का 2.0 original Chromax paint. So there is no problem of mismatch or anything of that sort. It's 100% matched. There's a very beautiful color. At certain angles it looks purple. At certain angles it looks maroon. But it's actually black with a lot of these purple and maroon folds into it. So yeah, overall vehicle is done, and now we are going to deliver the vehicle to the customer. Hope you guys like the video. If you want to see more contents like this, please do write down in comments and let us know. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe with your friends and family so that we get an outreach. आपके दोस्त लोगों को भी हम लोग reach out कर पाए. And if you need any kind of work done to your car, whatever car it is, not just premium, any kind of car, you can hit us back on the given number below. So, yeah, meet you in the next episode. Cheers. Bye bye.